Imagine a CAD software which is very fast and can work based on your instruction. And I'm not talking about Fusion 360, which by the way, I receive a lot of love from you, where I have shown, how you can utilize that AI assistant inside Fusion 360 to generate model. But to be honest, Fusion 360 take too much of time. But the software that today I am going to talk about does not. And not only it supports text to 3D, but it also supports image to 3D. And I am not talking about the non-parametric or non-engineering one, but the engineering 3D model. Let's say, you have a DXF file and you always wanted to convert that to 3D. With Fabrilox, it is possible. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic AI. And in this video, I am going to talk about an AI-powered 3D parametric software which convert text to 3D very quickly. I would say in certain model, it is about 10 times faster than Fusion 360. And to show you, let me take you to my computer screen. Alright, so let me open Fabrilox, which is fabrilox.com. And then from here, if you go to product, you can see there are a bunch of products, but we need to go for this Fabrilox CAD, which is studio.fabrilox.com. So you can directly open studio.fabrilox.com to reach the CAD portion of Fabrilox. Now from here, I am going to directly explore on AI portion. So let's click on Explore Pro CAD, and where I will be showing you the AI capability of it. So let's go here and click on AI Assistant. And here you're gonna see there are three different way of AI assistant. The simple mode is the generic AI, where you are telling AI to do something, a single step, and AI can do it. The second mode is agentic mode, where you have kept set of instruction and then AI will deliver it. And let me actually show you how fast it is. For that, let me go full screen out. And you can see the timing here and the clock also ticking in second. Now if I click on this particular one, you will see how fast this is. Alright, so here you just saw it took less than 1 minute to do it, but here is a catch. You can try different model. Right now I use this Gamma 4 with 31 billion parameter. So instead of this Gamma 4, let's go with Gemini 3.6 flashlight, which is the latest, and let's see how it performs. So let's cancel this, and let's again I'm going to ask the same question, building this cube with hole. Alright, so let's try this from 335 30 seconds and we will see how much time this takes. Alright, so it took around 20 to 25 seconds to build this. And now if I ask it some of general command, for example, remove that center hole. Again, you can see how quickly it does. Remove those rounds and replace with chamfer in all 4 corners. Done. Now I'm gonna ask shell this with 2 mm thickness. So you can see that it is very fast, it is not that slow and working perfectly fine. So this is the reason why I am impressed with Fabrilox. And then there is another thing with the AI. Of course this is more advanced than what we have seen in case of Fusion 360, but it lets you choose which provider you would like to go with. So the software lets you decide what AI you want to use. So right now the one that I was using was Gemini 3.6 Flash, and this is available for free. So the Fabrilox is not stopping you using your own AI agent or own AI model. So that's really great, because all these models are updating very fast, and what you are trying is one of the latest one, and you have plethora of option to choose from. And then here is an option that you can also go with local Olama. So for example, I have this local Olama, so let me actually run terminal. And if I want to run something which is already installed in my system, for example this Quen VL CAD, I can run it directly in my system, and then I can simply copy this model and fill it here, and this will be good to go. Now this time I am going to try this another model, which is Gemini 3 Flashlight. This is very light, And as we are going toward lighter model, they're going to execute even faster. So here you can see the response time is very fast, like it is responding in just 5 seconds, and maybe you're going to see the object created in under 10 or 15 seconds. Now again, maybe I'm gonna try the same, replace around with chamfer of 2 mm, and in just 3 or 4 seconds we were able to see the response. So it is that fast, guys, and I am very amazed with it. Now, as we were mentioning, here we have got this image to 3D, which lets us convert drawing to 3D. So let's click on it and see if it can do it or not. And there you go, it understood this drawing. Now let's click on build part, and there you go. Here you can see it kind of show you that this was the 2D, and then this is the rendered one. And if you click on looks like, open editor, and this is how it will open the part. So but I believe when it comes to complicated drawing, it's still lag behind. It is not that mature, I would say, but seeing the potential or the capability of it, it is really one of the best AI CAD platform I have ever evaluated. And that's also wrap up this video, guys. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. So let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.